Seventh class English Unit 1 Reading A The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Page number 6 Comprehension Questions. First question: why did the town mouse want to go to the countryside? The town mouse wanted to go to the countryside because he was ill and the doctor advised him to spend a week in the countryside. Second question: describe the town mouse experience at the countryside. Answer: the town mouse faced several difficulties in the countryside. It could not adjust with the facilities at the countryside. Third question: what differences do you find between the country and the town? Answer: the town is full of noises and lights, traffic, cool drinks are common, whereas the village is so quiet, pure, clean water, fresh food is available there. Fourth question: how can you say that the town mouse could not enjoy the dinner offered by the country mouse? The town mouse just nibbled at the food given by the country mouse. So we can tell that it did not enjoy the food. Fifth question: what would happen if the person who opened the cupboard found any of the mice? Answer: if the person had found them, he would have tried to kill them. Sixth one: why did the town mouse travel in an ordinary train? Answer: the town mouse traveled in an ordinary train as there was no air conditioned coach available to that village. Seventh question: why did the country mouse go back to his house in the country? The country mouse could not adjust with the noises, traffic, and other disturbances of the town, so it returned to the country. Eighth question: how can you say that the town mouse was not comfortable in the country? Answer: the town mouse came the country to take rest for 1 week, but it returned to the town on the very next day. It indicates that the town mouse was not comfortable in the country. Ninth question: how are the streets of the town different from those of a village? Answer: the streets of the town are full of lights and traffic, whereas the streets of the country are quiet. 10th one: describe the lifestyle of the country mouse in 2 or 3 sentences. The country mouse lived in a hole. It ate fresh food available in the country. Last question: the town mouse and the country mouse did not visit each other again. Why? Give reasons for your answer. The town mouse and the country mouse did not visit each other again because they did not like each other's dwelling places. The town mouse wants tasty food, modern comforts, and luxurious life, which are not available at the countryside. And the country mouse does not like the noises of the traffic, pollution, and life threat at the town. Roman number 2. Choose the best answer from the choices given to complete each sentence. Number 1. The town mouse and the country mouse are A. Friends, B. Cousins, C. Classmates. Answer is B. Cousins. Number 2. The house of the town mouse was dash. A. A field in a village. B. A building in a village. C. A kitchen cupboard in a town. Answer is C. A kitchen cupboard in a town. Next question 3. The house of the town mouse was dash. A. Full of most delicious food. B. Full of sugarcane and roots. C. Full of coconut water. Answer is option A. Full of most delicious food. Fourth one. At the end of the story, the country mouse dash. A. Went back to his country. B. Stayed in the town. C. Visited the town mouse. Answer is option A. Went back to his country. Roman number 3. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the wrong statements. Number 1. The country mouse lives in a town. No, the country mouse lives in a country. Second statement. The town mouse feels very comfortable in the train. No, false. The town mouse feels very uncomfortable in the train. Third statement. It was hot when the town mouse traveled to the countryside. Yes, true. Fourth one. The town mouse liked to eat cooked food. Yes, the town mouse liked to eat cooked food. Last one, fifth one. There are more lights, cars, and lorries in the town than the village. True. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.